Yo, what is going on, guys? Today, I am going to be teaching you guys how you can get unlimited storage on your iPhone. So, guys, if you are running out of storage, right? You're running out of storage, wow, bad. I get it, because I do a lot of video stuff, as you guys know, and I run out of storage on my phone all the time, but I have found a way, guys, that you can actually fix this storage problem. So I found this app online that literally just backloads it to cloud storage. So it's essentially like you just get more storage completely for free on your phone. When Apple's trying to charge me like $300, guys, it's called Storage Plus Plus. You can only get it online, but it works the same as a normal app. It's super easy too. And I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can do it, exactly how you guys can get Storage Plus Plus on your phone, and exactly how it works. It's really easy to work and set up. It's not a bunch of files and settings you have to mess with or anything like that. Just a couple and get it done. Let's get it, guys. So here we got Storage Plus Plus here on my iPhone, as you can see right here. And I'm just going to go ahead and open that up. So I got, this just kind of opens up to my storage on my settings. We got my iPhone storage right here. As you can see, I'm not fully filled up. I still got a good 60 gigs, but guys, that's just not enough. As you can see how much my photos take up. So this Storage Plus Plus, we can actually do this enable button right here, and that's actually my my backup storage. So that's another 256 gigabytes. It's completely free. And there's still all the other options that you want if you want to mess around with them and all that kind of stuff, like on your photo settings as well. But yeah, I mean, that's all of my other settings. As you can see, you can even store your system settings on there, because I know a lot of the time people have their system settings that is just taking up so much of their phone, but guys, you can just put that in there as well. It all works the same. Just like your normal storage, you can pull it up. It doesn't have to download sometimes the cloud storage does or anything like that. But yeah, let me show you guys exactly how this works and how it works for you guys. So you're gonna need two apps right here, your Settings app and your Safari app. It can also be any internet browser, but it probably should be your Safari app just because that's what's easiest and you can follow along with me the best. But let's go ahead and open up our Settings app right here and go to our Power section. So it's actually called the battery section on an iPhone. I'm just dumb. We're just going to go ahead and open up this battery section on my phone right here and make sure that that low power mode that you guys see right there is turned off. If low power mode's turned on, essentially what it's going to do is slow down your phone to the point where it no longer will be able to do this download, and then everything's going to go bad all the time. No one's going to be happy, and we're all going to cry. And that's not what we're going to want, guys. We're going to make sure that this low power mode is turned off, our phone is running at full speed, and we're going to be able to get this settings downloaded and get everything working so we can get that unlimited storage for you guys. So after that, guys, and after you make sure that your low power mode's turned off, let's hop into General and go to Background App Refresh. So your Background App Refresh most likely is already turned on. Everything's running great because that's how normally your phone works. But for any reason, if you do have it turned off, you can just go ahead and click on that button right there and then click on Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data. Both of them work just the same because they keep your background app refresh running. So just go ahead and do that, guys. That's super easy to do, no worries. And after that, guys, we should be good to go off of everything with your background app refresh working. We should be good to go ahead and hop into our into our website that we're going to. As you can see, there's literally a bajillion apps on here. But of course, we're not looking for anything other than our storage app. So let's go ahead and just search up our storage plus right there and hit that install button. Now what this is doing is downloading something called a configuration profile, which means essentially it's going to take our settings app and it is going to live in our settings app, if that makes sense. It's just changing around the settings, basically modding, putting a mod onto our phone real quick, and then it's just allowing us to have that extra storage. So we're gonna have to allow this to download once it's done. It should take 40 to 60 seconds. It's taking me a little bit closer to that 40-second mark before it should hit this little spinny circle of success and then our little pop-up that it got a successful download. There it is right there, guys. Boom. Do we want to allow this configuration profile to download, guys? Go ahead and hit allow on that because that profile has now been downloaded. We are good to go, baby. Awesome, guys. Let's go ahead and close out on that profile. And guys, after that, we should be able to go into our settings. And now that we're done with our settings or with that download, we do need to go to VPN and device management in our general section. Under that downloaded profile section, you should see that Storage Plus Plus, and go ahead and hit that install button and type in that phone unlock password. All right, guys, go ahead and hit that next button right there. Hit that install button. install one more time, and if I am not wrong, guys, and I promise you I rarely am, Storage Plus Plus is ready to go on your iPhone, guys, completely for free, unlimited storage, guys. No worries. Thanks for watching.